Hola amigos, this is Nerdinara Tech. Welcome to the channel. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Hey guys, first I would like to apologize for the delay in the videos as I have not posted any videos since the last 3 weeks as I was very ill and we were upgrading the studio, and hopefully I will be doing a studio tour next month. And an update, from next Sunday starting a new section called Real User Reviews, where I will be talking to the persons who are actually using the product from the various industries and homes, and we will see their views and reviews. So guys, stay tuned for there is more coming. And don't forget to ring the bell so you can receive notification instantly and view the videos without a delay. Thank you guys, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Take care guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.